Hey guys, welcome back. I don't have much time to do this, but I'm gonna do an Amazon unboxing. I bought some stuff because I have an event coming up at my establishment, and this is what I got in preparation. So first I got this, which is hat and gloves. We're having a tea party event, so I'm pretty excited about that. Look at my hat. It has the mesh and everything. It's gonna be so cute. And I got the pair of gloves that comes with it. The next thing that I bought to do my hair, actually, which is today, my hair, it looks flaky, but it has pre-poo in it, so I'm gonna wash my hair. I bought these rod sets. Has different sizes and colors, so prayerfully it works out. I'm gonna be trying Mini Marley's tutorial, so hopefully it works out. Then I bought back my Urban Skin body bar. Guys, this one had cleared up my underarms a little bit. It cleared up my pubic area, like in that area where there were like hyperpigmentation. So I decided that I'm gonna buy it back to use for my body because I love the one for my face, so why not use the one for my body? Then I bought these callus removers. Like, guys, when I do my feet, I needed them to scrub my feet. I will bring that and tell them to scrub it. Yeah. The next thing is this Supple Bears sea moss and elderberry gummies with vitamin C. My mom had introduced me to these, and ever since then I've been eating them. Then this one is a beauty kit tools. It has let's see if we can open it. It has like nail file, it has nail clip, all of that kind of stuff, because every time I had one I couldn't find it anymore, so I decided to buy a whole thing. Like, everything that's on there is right here. It's like a set that has everything in it, so if I do need to do something with my nails, or okay guys, look at this, how it looks. So it has everything that I need. And look at this side. Everything. So if I wanted to start doing my nails at home, I certainly could with this. So yeah, that's the next thing. And I have one more thing that I bought, and this is the Ultimate Loofah Alternative. I saw this on like Instagram, and I was like, okay, you know what? I should try this. Ooh, the feeling of it is very nice. It's very soft. And you're just gonna scrub your body with this one. So, and it has something back here too. So, that's part one of the video. I have some other things coming, but I'm gonna be washing my hair. It has pre-poo in it, detangled and everything. The scalp is very dry because I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks. But I do have an event tomorrow that I'm preparing for today, so that's why I bought these stuff. I'm going to be doing my hair with the rods, taking a shower with the Urban Skin body. So that's the video for today. It's very short, very quick, but I just wanted to come on here to show you guys what I bought. I have other stuff coming. Part 2 is gonna come, but today is going to be a very busy day because I'm gonna be washing my hair. As I said, that's gonna take a while. I have to do my hair, style it and everything, and I still wanted to go to the gym because I have my cycling class, so I'm gonna see how that works. I hope my hair doesn't get messed up. Then I have to go do my toes. I have to buy some little goodie bags to put some gifts and stuff for my clients for work. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, guys. I'm gonna be pushing out these videos. Oh, and I need to call Apple as well for them to schedule an appointment so I could come up there to fix my computer finally, once and for all. I'm gonna get my computer fixed, and I also think I'm gonna buy a tablet that I can edit my videos and upload them. That's how my friend Shani does hers, so I'm gonna try to mimic that. Guys, I just want to say, I sometimes things come to my mind. When you see people doing stuff that you want to do as well, don't use that as like envy or be jealous of them. Use that to motivate yourself. Like, I see people doing things that I want to do, I say, okay, maybe I should go the route that they went. And I'm like, okay, she bought a tablet, she transferred everything, so maybe I can do that. And so I can push more videos out, because she pushes out a video every Sunday, and we constant